G'day folks. Well, I had a busy day at the yard, so I didn't get to shoot any videos there. Not much to show anyway. The excavator's been there for the last 2 weeks tearing shit up, so it's all smashed. But I did get all this stuff before it gets wrecked. Nice little portable Philips TV. Full of crap. It's been wet, so don't know if either of these TVs are going to work. That one's a Rank Arena with VHF and UHF tuning. If anything, they'll be good for flyback transformers. The older they are, the better they are. Some old tube telly set board. Sort of not quite out of the valve era. It's got transistors and things on it, but still got a few old tubes. As you can see, it's just covered in rubbish. Never work again, but it'll be good for spare parts for somebody. I'll try and document what valve types I've got in stock, and I'll advertise them one day. Big selling point on this one's the flyback. That looks neat. Neat little 10 kilovolt black and white CRT flyback, and its electron tube. That tube is a 1S2A Toshiba. That's the high voltage line coming off, I think. Not sure how those ones work, but it looks like it. Nice pressure gauges. R12, Freon 12. Normal compressed air, 150 pounds. Compressed air up to 300 pounds. That one goes up to 150 pounds on Freon, even down into vacuum, negative 30. Get hard in the light to see. Glary as hell in here. And this one's really neat. It's still got its dust cover and protective cover on it. Everything's printed in Japanese. I don't know if that's reading atmospheres or bar or what. Well, bar is atmosphere, but kilopascals, megapascals. I'll just have to gently apply pressure and see what it reads in relation to another gauge. But that thing's like new inside. The other valve thing I got is this thing here. It's like an old radio receiver or something. They've just hacked it out. Can't remember what that was. Astor. An old front panel from an Astor. Probably a television and radio set. 6N8 tubes. 6GW8. All mini-watt Australian tubes. 6GW8. The amplifier part might still work if I can find a way to input signal without blowing anything up. That's going off to a speaker. That's going to the internal speaker, so that's the output. That's the volume pot, I think. Indicator lamps. I'll power this one up and see what it does, assuming... Oh, yeah, mains transformer. That's good. That's mains in. Plexi cord. Yeah, switch. On, off. So that's mains to transformer. That'll be good. I'll play around with this one before I part it. If anyone wants tubes though, I suppose I could work something out. Can't really test them though. So tubes are going to be dirt cheap if I do sell them, and they'll be without warranty, so don't expect too much. Other thing, nice little street light. Double stack fluoro. One of the tubes is smashed up in there, but the actual plastic housing isn't busted. So I've got little screw fittings on it. And a little angled bracket for wall mounting. It's even got some of that old-fashioned black coated flex cable. So that can go on the side of the shed. It'll be good for when I'm working outside at night. I'll get that one set up later. And thanks for watching. Well, that's what's inside the light. I've had a bit of water sitting in there unfortunately, but hopefully those contacts will clean up. That's the only real question with this one. The ass end of the transformer's got a bit of rust on it too, so yeah. Fluoro, so fragile. They're actually really tough to break when you don't want to break them, but yeah, once you get an edge on them, off they go. Probably mercury crap on them too. This one's got a light sensor on it too, so that when night falls, this detects the lack of light and then closes a switch. Just a light dependent resistor attached to a switch. Might be alright, might not, but all the part number and everything's on there, so I could buy a new one. That'd be nice. I just have it so it automatically comes on when it starts getting dark. Or it could be annoying if I want to be a light at dusk, but it's not dark enough for it to come on. Oh well, this thing should clean up fine. I think these transformers are potted in resin anyway. I'll just clean up all the terminals, clean up the housing and gasket, which is still soft. Maybe give the bracket a light rub down with paper or something, but it's not really corroded, it's all gal. And I'll stick her up on the wall. There we go. Fluoro light filament in open air. Poof! Oh, that was fun. There you go, second filament. Open air. Oh, that was bright. Phosphor lit up like the 4th of July. Smoking. Make sure the plug's out.